One of the most common questions I get is, when should I get a cost segregation done on my property? It's always best to, whenever you first get that property, to immediately go ahead and get the cost seg done. Now, usually it almost always makes sense to go ahead and get the cost seg done whenever you get the property. If you are going to doing any renovations on your property, get the cost seg done before you make those renovations. That way you can capture all the deductions that were previously there with your purchase price. And then after your renovation is done, you can either go in and do another cost seg, or if you can just keep track of all of your itemized receipts, you can give that to your tax advisor and they can go through and bonus depreciate what needs to be bonus depreciated and leave the capitalized expenses. Now, if you don't get a cost seg in the first year that you acquire the property, you can go back and reclaim any missed depreciation on a previous year. For example, you got a property in 2021 and you didn't find out about cost segregation until 2022 or 2023, you can do a change in accounting method on Form 3115 and go back and recapture that missed depreciation on your taxes. That is a general summarization of cost seg. I may not have covered all the details that may be applicable to your situation. If you're going to be selling a property within the next 5 years, it almost never makes sense to go ahead and accelerate that depreciation, because whenever you sell that property, you will have to reclaim all of that depreciation as ordinary income. So again, talk with your tax advisor to see if cost segregation makes sense for you.